Hello, showstopper. You're welcome to Queen the Creative YouTube channel, where we don't just gist, we dey evaluate fashion. Today, we are breaking down the fairy red carpet of the movie Gingerrr. Theme of the night, Peaky Blinders gangster glam. But with that unmistakable Naija twist. Some celebrities came ready to collect awards for best dressed, while others, let's just say, they gingered us for the wrong reasons. Look 1, Kiki. Kiki no dey carry last though. She stepped out in a stripped three-piece suit, crowned with a coat that screamed gangster boss lady. The tailoring sharp, the drama loud, the fall maybe a bit heavy for Lagos weather, but we can't deny she ate this look. Now, look number 2, Timini. Timini came in his classic pinstripe suit with a flat cap, very on theme. Very dapper, but maybe a pop of color or a bold accessory would have made him stand out more. Right now, he looks like an extra in the Peaky Blinders cast, not the star. Still, clean and classy. Look 3, Lillian. Now, Lillian said, "Why blend in when I can shut it down?" A crisp white power suit with a cape and matching tie. Power, drama, elegance. The cape alone deserves its own standing ovation. Only that, white can wash out on camera, so it needed extra texture to really pop. But overall, she nailed the gangster glam brief. Look 3, Inidima. In a world where black suits are plenty, Ini pulled up in an all-white three-piece. Risky, but she made it. White demands confidence, and Ini delivered. The only caution, white is unforgiving. So every crease, every wrinkle, every angle must be perfect. But sis carried it like royalty. Look 5, Charles Ugochukwu. And then came Charles in a bold red three-piece suit. Forget blending in, he said, "I must shine." And yes, he stood out. But red is a dangerous color. It can either slay or scream costume. In his case, the outfit was decent, but a touch more balance in accessories could have sealed the deal. Look 6, Vicky James. Wow. Vicky James ate and left no crumbs. Like, the girl nailed it. The woman nailed it, rather. I'm not going to say much. Now, my final thoughts. Overall, the Gingerrr premiere showed us that Nollywood red carpets are no longer just about fine clothes. They're about storytelling. Celebs are mixing vintage British flair with Nigerian fabrics tailoring. And that extra that makes our fashion unique. Some hit the mark perfectly, others well. Let's just say fashion is a risk, and every risk doesn't pay off. So, who was your best dressed for the night? Was it Kiki, the boss lady, Lillian, the power queen, Ini? I didn't mention Ini Edo. And was it Timini with his cool vintage vibe? There are so many celebrities that graced the occasion. You can see, wow, they looked so fine. Now drop your winner in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel to keep seeing this fine face. Because here on Queen the Creative, every red carpet is our runway. Till next time, keep slaying, keep shining, and remember, Naija fashion no dey carry last. Bye for now.